All right, Chase, what are we cooking tonight?
Oh, we're doing a little fried turkey. A little turkey breast.
Is that from this season or a few years old?
That is. This is from about 3 weeks ago. So it'll be ready to go here in a few minutes. Trying to get it defrosted.
You got a new fryer today, huh?
I did. We got a little Walmart special.
First batch, huh?
Yeah.
Secret sauce.
Secret sauce. Give them 15 minutes in there. Alright guys, we're cooking a little turkey tonight. Got a whole turkey breast, both sides in here. We got a bunch of people over to eat tonight. So this has been soaking in Bush Light, my go-to, for about 10 minutes now. Probably by the time I get done with this, it'll be about 15. That's about what I do every time. This is the all-purpose flour I use. And then I'll top it off with a little garlic powder, garlic salt actually, and mix it heavy. That's what I always like to do, about like that. I just grab some Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, get a good mix in there. I normally use a thing called Killer Hog's AP rub, but I thought I had some and I don't. And this is seasoned salt, so just good mix a little bit of everything. Stir it up good, get it all conjoined. Got the fryer heating up, so here in a minute we'll do some dropping. Get them in there. So this is we just cube up the breast about, you know, normal size. That one's double, but let them soak in that Bush Light. Really tends to do it for me. So that's that.
There's a section of that small. So y'all were close to the game?
Mm-hmm.
That was so
Try one, Chase. Tell us how it is.
Let's see.
Any TSS in it?
Not yet. These went a little long, but it's fried turkey. Pretty good.
Yeah. Looks good.
Alright, y'all, that's gonna close out the video. We pulled some out. Everybody's about to start fixing plates, so we're gonna see how they like it. Some folks never had any turkey in there, so we might get a few reactions to close it out, but that's gonna be it for me. So, till the next one. See y'all. Like and subscribe.
Sorry, that. What do you want? I mean, what do you want to say? Good.